Students, at a certain point of life, we all need motivation. Motivation when we fell down. Motivation when something triggers our emotions. Motivation when we are taking any step toward our goals. And this all real-time clarity we can get from the life lessons of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is not just a scripture written by a saint, but it is actually a real conversation between Sri Krishna and Arjuna. This great scriptures has influenced so many great thinkers, including Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, and many more. And today, I am going to share you a very famous verse of Bhagavad Gita. It is verse number 48, written on chapter 2 of Bhagavad Gita, in which Sri Krishna is saying to Arjuna, Yogastha karu karmani sangam takatva dhananjaya siddhi siddhiyo samo bhutva samatvam yoga uchyate. It means we should always be steadfast in the performance of our karma and abandon the attachment of success and failure. In Hindi, we also say it, karma kiye ja, phal ki apeksha mat kar. So karma is something which we can control, and the result, the phal, is something which is not in our hand and is always uncertain. But we can convert our result into a good result by following a good karma. As it is also said that karma always returns back whether it is good or bad. Connecting it to the student's life, especially for the board classes student, when we appear in examination, we don't know who will be the checker or what kind of question there will be in the exam. That all thing is the result which is always uncertain. But the thing which we can control is our brain, our knowledge, our hard work, and that all thing is the karma. And the karma of students' life is to study wholeheartedly. So what do we learn from this verse? We learn that we should always give our 100% in every exams of our life and do not be afraid of the result. Because success will for sure be granted to you if you are following a karma of hard work and a positive mindset. This important life lesson is taught by Sri Krishna to Arjuna. And in my opinion, we should also implement this in our daily life. Thank you and have a positive day ahead.